Yo, what's up, guys? This is Nicholas Mango back at it again from Mango Capital Trading. Today, I'll be going over my trades on NQ and ES over the past 2 days. So, on the 18th of November, as well as today, the 19th November. I did post my recap yesterday. I didn't get time. I didn't have time to get to that. But yeah, I made $11,000, 500, $11,560. This is both demo and paper, demo and funded live capital all together. So I won't reveal what the exact figures is for each. Yeah. So on NQ coming into the day, what I saw was sell side liquidity resting right here, which we're getting close to, as well as a 2 hour Fair Valley gap over here. Wait, I'll delete the executions right here. This 2 hour right here. So what I said last video was also the almost all my videos. I look for a higher time frame sweep, for example, or a rebalance of a FEG, and then a minor sweep below, and then we can see that beautifully right here. We had the sell side swept and a beautiful minor sweep down here, right here. So yeah, that was exactly what I was looking for. Before we then had a change in the state of delivery right here. This is the last manipulation leg into the sweeping liquidity. Hence why here you mark out the CISD, marks the order block, as well as this being the specifically strongest order block right here, which we rejected off really nicely. And I saw this 1 minute fair rally up here, which I wanted to see be ran through close above inverted with a large level of displacement, which happened right here. Trying to get my entry. I got a 24659 right here, yeah. And then I saw this 2 minute IOFED here, which I wanted to add another contract on, but I was like, I already got five. And on my funded accounts and everything, I was like, yeah, no, I'm just gonna leave it here. So we had this 15 minute right here where I took a partial, and then we eventually inversed it, retraced perfectly back into it, respecting this 1 minute fair value gap to the tick, well, with the body close. And then, yeah, we rallied up, sweeping this high right here, which was my partial, as well as this buy side liquidity over here, marking out the 2 hour fair value gap. That was the trade I took yesterday. Made like $8,535, all in one. So yeah, it was a really valid trade. I liked how we rejected off this order block, displaced close, inverse, and then a beautiful 2 minute IOFED as well as this 15 minute with super algorithmic price action as well as right here with this sweep. So yeah, can't complain. Was an insane trade. 1 to 2.47 or well, technical, not realized. And then coming into my second day, which was today, where I made $3,025, I believe, or something like this. Yeah, what I saw was this sell side right here, price making relative equal lows right here, which I still expect to be swept. But yeah, I think the hold so here. Before we then just rallied up, sweeping this buy side liquidity in this 1 hour SIBI. So higher time frame rejection here. We swept it to the tick. And I also then decided to take this entry right here with 3 contracts. I marked at 701.25 right there with my stop loss here, but lower risk because we didn't have the minor sweep. So I went in with lower risk. Either way, played out really well. Beautiful top tick, really kind of. Yeah, I took my one partial here, second partial, this 15 minutes, went break even here, and took my last contract off at this first presented 15 minute fair value gap over here. Yeah, 15 minute first presented 15 minute fair value gap where I just took my last contract off because it's usually a nice rejection area of rejection. So yeah, I just decided to take it there after hitting 5 to 1 RR and made like $3,000. So overall, it was a very good 2 days. My trades are looking very solid, 100% win rate this week. Can't complain really. Looking forward to the rest of the week, seeing how we play. But so far, price action has been really algorithmic, which I like a lot. And so hope we can keep that like that, and we can take more winners like this one and Q and ES right here. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.